Hello everyone, this is Madhav here. Today I'm going to just tell you about machine learning in Python. मैं जहाँ तक था कि आप लोग मशीन पाइथन के बारे में अवेयरनेस होगा ही जो मशीन लर्निंग क्या होता है सो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी हियर machine learning provide basics and advanced concept of machine learning और machine learning tutorial is designed for students and working professionals के लिए डिजाइन किया हुआ है. So we will divide accordingly 40 to around 100 plus videos रहेंगे machine learning के. So this is the first video. So what is machine learning क्या होता है? In real world, we are surrounded by humans who can learn everything from their experiences, learning capability, and we have computers of machines, instruction, but we can also learn from experiences or past data like a human. So role of machine learning. Machine learning is said as subset of artificial intelligence that is mainly concerned with the development of algorithm which allow a computer to learn from the data and pass experience on the own. The term machine learning was first introduced by Arthur Saveller in 1959. Okay. How does machine learning work? किस तरह से work करता है? Machine learning system learn from historical data, builds the predictive models, and whenever it receives new data, predicts the output for it. The accuracy of predicted output depends upon the amount of data, as a huge amount of data helps to build a better model which predicts the output more accurately. Suppose we have a complex problem where we need to perform some prediction. So instead of writing a code for it, we just need to build the data to generic algorithm, and with the help of this algorithm, machine builds a logic as per the data and predict the output. Machine learning has changed one way of thinking about the problem. The video block diagram explains the working of machine learning algorithm. There are various features of machine learning. Machine learning uses data to detect various problems in a given data set. It can learn from the past data and improve automatically. It is also having a data-driven technology. Machine learning is much similar to data mining as it deals with the huge amount of the data. The need for machine learning is increasing day by day. The reason behind the need for machine learning is that it's capable of doing tasks that are too complex for a person to implement directly. As a human, we have some limitation and we cannot access a huge amount of data manually. हमारे humans के पास एक problem है कि we cannot access large amount of data manually. So we need some computer systems and comes the machine learning to make things work. We can train machine learning algorithms by providing them the huge amount of data and then explore the data. The importance of machine learning can be easily understood by its use cases. Currently, machine learning is using self-driving cars, fraud detection, face recognition, and friend suggestions by Facebook. वहाँ पे use होता है. Various trust companies such as Netflix, Amazon have built machine learning models that uses various types of data. Following are some kinds of which show the importance of machine learning. Rapid increment in the production of data, solving complex problems which are difficult for a human. Decision making in various sectors, including finance. Finding hidden patterns and extraction useful information from the data. So various classification of machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. There are three types. Three types के हैं. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning method in which we provide sample label data to the machine learning system in order to train it, and then basis it predicts the output. The system creates a model using label data to understand the data set and learn about each data. Once the training and processing are done, then we test the model by providing a sample data to check whether it's predicting the exact output or not. The goal of supervised learning is to map input data with the output data. The supervised learning is based on supervision, and it is the same as when a student learns things in the supervision of a teacher. Spam filtering, classification, regression. So these are the categories of the classification, regression. Unsupervised learning is a learning method in which a machine learns without any supervision. The training is provided to the machine with the set of data that has not been labeled, classified, or categorized, and the algorithm needs to act on the data without any supervision. The goal of unsupervised learning is to restrict the input data into the new features or a group of objects with similar patterns. Clustering and association. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is feedback-based learning method in which a learning agent gets a reward for each right action and gets a penalty for each wrong action. The agent learns automatically with these feedbacks and improves his performance. In reinforcement learning, the agent interacts with the environment and explores. The goal of an agent is to get the most reward points and hence it improves its performance. Okay, so we have AI, ML, and deep learning. Machine learning from theory of reality, theory of prerequisite, applications of machine learning. Machine learning is a buzzword for today's technology. Image recognition. Image recognition is one of the most common application of machine learning. It is used to identify objects, person, places, digital images. The popular use case image recognition and face detection, automatic friend tagging suggestion. Facebook provides us a feature of auto friend tagging suggestion. Whenever we upload a photo with our Facebook friends, then we automatically get a tagging suggestion with name and technology. Face detection and recognition. It is a face detection and recognition algorithm is working. Speech recognition. Google we get an option of search by voice. जहाँ पे Google पे जाते हैं search by word. It comes speech recognition. Speech to text, computer speech recognition, Google Assistant, Siri, Contra, Alexa using speech recognition. Traffic prediction. लोग traffic में जाते हैं. So traffic prediction is also one of them. Visit a new place. We take help of Google Maps. यहाँ से हमें कहीं पे जाना है. Okay. We need to go to home. यहाँ आपके घर पे जाना, कॉलेज में आओ, स्कूल में आओ, हॉस्पिटल में आओ, थिएटर में आओ, मॉल में आओ. Google Maps which shows correct path is the shortest route. एक important चीज है यहाँ पे shortest route and predict the traffic conditions. It predicts the traffic conditions such as whether traffic is clear, traffic clear हो गया नहीं हुआ है, slow moving or heavily congested with the help of tools. Real-time locations, average time has taken of the vehicle from Google Maps and sensors. Product recommendation. Machine learning is widely used by various e-commerce and entertainment companies such as Amazon, Netflix. यानी वो लोग बहुत सारी प्रोडक्ट बेचते हैं यानी उनका प्रोडक्ट होता है 1 crore करोड़ में प्रोडक्ट होता है. सो अगर आपने कोई सपोज परचेज किया है you purchase any product for your something called book to give to your friend or something like to give you have used some it is used perfume or something product recommendation to user. Whenever we search for some product on Amazon, then we started getting advertisement for the same products. यहाँ पे मैंने advertisements बंद किया हुआ है advertisement for the same product while the internet surfing on same browser and this is because of machine learning. Google understands the user interest using various machine learning algorithms and suggests the product as per the customer interest. When we use Netflix, we find some recommendations for entertainment series, movies, and this is also done with the help of the machine learning. Self-driving cars. One of the most exciting application of machine learning is self-driving cars. Machine learning plays a significant role in self-driving cars. Tesla, the most popular car manufacturing company, is working on self-driving cars. They are using unsupervised learning method to train the car models to detect people and objects while driving. ये आपको क्या याद रखना है? It is using unsupervised learning. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and another method यहाँ भी use होगा unsupervised learning to train the car models. Okay. Email spam and malware filtering. Whenever we receive a new email, it is filtered automatically as important, normal, and spam. We always receive an important mail in our inbox with important symbols and spam emails. Content filter, header filter, general blacklist filter, rule-based filter, and premise filters. Virtual personal assistant. जैसे कि we have various virtual personal assistants such as Google Assistant, Alexa, Cortana, Siri. As the name suggests, They help us in finding the information using our voice instruction. जैसे कि हमारे घर पे कोई डिवाइस है, तो voice instruction and this assistant can help us in various ways just by our voice instructions such as play music, call someone, open an email, schedule an appointment, etc. Online fraud detection. Machine learning is making our online transactions safe and secure by detecting fraud transaction. Whenever you perform some online transaction, there may be various ways that a fraudulent transactions can take place, such as fake accounts, fake IDs, steal money in the middle of the transaction, so the detect feed forward neural network. For each genuine transaction, the output is converted into some hash values, and these values become the input for the next round. For each genuine transaction, there is a special pattern which gets changed for the fraud transaction. अगर आप लोग यूज करें स्टॉक मार्केट ट्रेडिंग, तो बहुत सारे लोग आज इंडिया में ऑलमोस्ट स्टॉक मार्केट ट्रेडिंग के पीछे सुबह उठ के बैठ जाते हैं स्टॉक मार्केट ट्रेडिंग का। ओके, सो उसमें क्या होता है, मशीन लर्निंग इज वाइडली यूज्ड इन स्टॉक मार्केट ट्रेडिंग। देयर इज ऑलवेज risk up and down in shares. So for this machine learning, LSTM neural network is used for prediction of stock market trends. In medical science, machine learning is used for disease diagnosis. With this medical technology is growing very fast and able to build 3D model that can predict the exact position of the lesion in the brain. डिसीज डायग्नोसिस करता है, जैसे कि डॉक्टर्स होता है, डॉक्टर्स का काम ये होता है कि उनको आइडेंटिफाई डायग्नोस कि आपको ये कैंसर है या आपको ये मलेरिया है या एनी अदर डिवाइसेस है और एनी अदर डिसीज है, सॉरी, वेरी फास्ट able to be 3D model that can predict the exact position of glias in the brain, या ब्रेन के अंदर कुछ समथिंग है तो वो फाइंड कर सकते हैं। तो automatic language translation, if we visit a new place and we are not aware of language, then it is not problem. All over this machine learning, जैसे कि आप यहाँ से चेन्नई जा रहे हो तो आपको तमिल लैंग्वेज नहीं आती है, सो यू जस्ट पूरे हिंदी तमिल लैंग्वेज कुछ बोल रहे हैं उसको हिंदी में ट्रांसफर करके देगा। Google's GNP, Google Neural Machine Translation provides this feature, which is a neural machine learning that translates the text into our familiar language. It is called automatic translation. The technology behind the automatic translation is sequence of sequence learning algorithm, which is used for image recognition and translate text from one language to another language. नेक्स्ट वी आर शोइंग लाइफ साइकिल। हर एक चीज में लाइफ साइकिल होता है, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट लाइफ साइकिल होता है, इसी तरह से यहाँ पे मशीन लर्निंग लाइफ साइकिल। मशीन लर्निंग हैव given the computer system the ability to automatically learn without being explicitly programmed. But how does a machine learning system work? So it can be described using the life cycle of machine learning. Machine learning life cycle is a cyclic process to build an efficient machine learning project. The main purpose of the life cycle to build problem on the project is gathering data, data preparation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps है हमारे पास। Gathering data, data preparation, data wrangling, analyze data, train the model, test the model, and deployment. Gathering data, data preparation, data wrangling, analyzing data, train the model, test the model, and deployment. The most important thing in the computer process is to understand the problem and know the purpose of problem. Therefore, before starting the life cycle, we need to understand the problem because the good result depends on the better understanding of the problem. In the computer life cycle process, to solve a problem, we create a machine learning system called model, and this model is created by providing training. But to train a model, we need data, hence life cycle start by collecting the data. Data gathering. Data gathering is the first step of the machine learning life cycle. The goal of this step is to identify and obtain the all data related problems. We need to identify the different data sources, as data can be collected from various sources such as files, database, internet, and mobile devices. Gathering data. Data कहीं से भी collect हो सकता है, कि जैसे आजकल तो अगर आप ट्रेन में ट्रैवल हो तो वहाँ भी डेटा कलेक्ट होता है, जैसे कि कोई कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहा है, आप कहीं पे बैठे हो किसी से बात कर रहे हो, अल्टीमेटली इंटरनेट, मोबाइल डिवाइसेस, डेटाबेस। डेटाबेस इज अ बहुत सोर्स ऑफ इंडिया का पूरा डेटा आ गया, पूरे गुजरात का डेटा आ गया, पूरा वर्ल्ड का डेटा आ गया कहीं पे। इट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट, कोरोना के केसेस कहाँ पे किस तरह से बढ़ रहे हैं, किस तरह से क्रिकेट मैच का डेटा है, जैसे कि कल क्रिकेट मैच था तो वन ऑफ द बैट्समैन फिफ्थ नंबर हैज मैच जीता है राजस्थान रॉयल्स के पर्सन पे। So that is also data. The previous data क्या था और किस तरह से match भी नहीं किया. It is one of the most important steps of the life cycle. The quality and quantity of the collected data will determine the efficiency of the output. The model will be the data and prediction. Identify various data sources, collect data, integrate the data obtained from the different sources. Data preparation. After collecting the data, we need to prepare it for further steps. Data preparation is a step where we put our data into suitable place and prepare it for the use in our machine learning training. Data exploration. It is used to understand the nature of the data that we have to work with the we need to understand the characteristics, format, and qualities of data. A better understanding of data leads to an effective outcome. We find correlations, generators, and outliers. Now, guys, data wrangling. Data wrangling is the process of cleaning and forwarding the raw data into usable format. It is a process of cleaning the data, selecting the variable to use, and transferring the data into a proper format to make it more suitable for analysis in the next step. It is one of the most important steps of the complete process. Cleaning of data is required to address the quality issues. जैसे कि कोई रो डेटा हो गया उसको यूजेबल फॉर्मेट में करना है. इट इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ क्लीनिंग द डेटा, selecting the variable to use and transferring the data into proper format to make it more suitable for analysis in the next step. Next one is मिसिंग वैल्यूज है, डुप्लीकेट डेटा हो गया, इनवैलिड डेटा है यानी डेटा प्रॉपर नहीं है, नॉइज है कुछ भी उसके अंदर, समथिंग वेरी नॉइजी डेटा इज है. So we use various filtering technique to clean the data. Filtering technique. It is better to detect and remove the above issue because it can be negatively affect the quality of outcome. Data analysis. Now that clean and prepared data is passed on to the analysis step, this step involves selection of analysis techniques, building models, and review the results. The aim of this step is to build a machine learning model to analyze the data using various analytical techniques and review the outcomes. Classification, regression, cluster analysis, and association. Train the model. Now the next step is to train the model. In this step, we train our model to improve its performance. Train models हमारे पास है, then we need to train outcome of the problem. We use dataset to train the model using various machine learning algorithms. Training a model is required so that it can understand the various patterns, rules, and features. Based models. Once our machine learning model has been trained on a given data set, then we test the model. In this step, we check the accuracy of our model by providing the test data set to it. Deployment. The last step of machine learning lifecycle is deployment, where we deploy the model in the real world system. In the above prepared model is producing an accurate result as per the requirement with the acceptable speed. Then we deploy the model in the real system, but before deploying the project, we will check whether it is improving its performance using available data or not. The deployment phase is similar to making a जैसे कि वो final report. Final report something we are providing here. This is we have done and we are just delivering deployment model into the real world system. जैसे real world systems में बताना पड़ता है कि हमने ये real world systems बना के deploy कर दिया. Installing Anaconda and Python. Anaconda and distribution is a free and open source platform by Python or R programming. Okay. So how we can go to this site. So we can, this is our first video. So we still keep up to this, and we meet you in second video.